hello everyone, I'm Sasha, welcome to my channel. The new season I want to start with one of my favorite recipes, the cottage cheese cheesecake. I know that many of you have tried this recipe already, but if not, you definitely should. It is so delicious and so easy to make. I love it.
I love it too.
Let's make it again. Поехали! Preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and grease a pie dish with butter. Separate egg yolks and egg whites. Place egg whites in a small mixing bowl and egg yolks in a big one. In a big bowl, add cottage cheese, lemon zest, only the top yellow layer of the peel is needed, and vanilla extract, a couple of teaspoons. Blend it together until completely smooth. Then mix in cornstarch until combined. Set aside. Beat egg whites until foam with an electric mixer. Add sugar or sugar substitute and continue beating until soft peaks. Then fold beaten egg whites into the cottage cheese batter, gently, in 3 steps. And pour the butter into the pie dish.
You know what I'm waiting for, don't you? That's my favorite part when you're baking.
Smooth the top with a spatula and put it in the oven. Bake it for about 40-45 minutes. When it is baked, turn off the oven and leave the cheesecake inside for 15 minutes with slightly open door. Then remove it from the oven. Wow, what a beautiful cheesecake!
My precious. Can I try it already?
Let it cool for 30 minutes. Just a little bit of icing sugar on top. And that's it. We prefer it warm, but a cold cheesecake is also really good. It's up to you. And now it's time for le bureau de dégustation.
Smells so good. Just the sound of it, like so airy, so fluffy, and it disappears so quickly. I love it.
The list of ingredients you can find below the video. Thank you for your likes and comments. Don't forget to subscribe. Have a wonderful day. See you soon. Bye.